There you go.
It's saying preparing to live stream the meeting. So once I see this thing go all the way to where it's, I'm going to exit out of it though, once it's there. Okay. So I'm going to exit out of that. And then I'm going to count 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to say, okay, we are on the record. We're about to start pre-trials for today, May 15th, 2020. The time is approximately 11:30 a.m. We are on the record. I'm going to call the first defendant. We're going to go ahead and allow her in the room.
I have a question.
Hold on. So, okay. Court calls cause number 1234, State of Texas versus Natalie Nava, and we are on the record. So then, like I said, we're here for a pretrial. And actually, if we had 5 more people, we could let them all in.
Hey.
And I can explain, we're here today for pretrials. This is your opportunity to try to get your case resolved with the prosecutor representing the state of Texas. We have Mr. Emmanuel Isasi, who's part of today's proceedings. You will have an opportunity to speak with Mr. Isasi individually. You can discuss your case with him. If you feel you have any defenses, you have any excuses, right now is the time to speak to the prosecutor about this case, because he is the one who's bringing the case, the charges against you on behalf of the state of Texas. So if you're to an agreement with Mr. Isasi, then we will state the agreement on the record. If you are unable to come to an agreement with Mr. Isasi, then you will receive a letter in the mail notifying you of your trial date, whether that is a jury trial or a trial before the court. It's going to be your choice. So at this time, before we have the individual meetings, is there anyone who has any questions? And then, okay, the first case, and I guess this is the way it would be, State of Texas versus Natalie Nava, cause number 1234.
I'm doing a Zoom meeting, Mr. Calvin.
Ms. Nava, you're going to meet with Mr. Isasi.
Okay.
And have an opportunity to speak. So then this is where we want to go to a breakout room. So let me.
So Judge, Mr. Isasi will be able to review the case prior to, or, because normally, you know, in a pretrial, I would sit with the prosecutor, so I know actually what the agreement is or the plea deal is.
Yeah, I think we're going to have you be a part of that somehow, Natalie. Just like if you were in the room with the prosecutor and the defendant.
Yeah, because a lot of times too, Mr. Isasi, if we have audio video of the time of the stop, we usually let the defendant see it at the pretrial.
Okay.
So
You would have to show it to him via the Zoom.
yeah. Let me get out of the break room because everybody's coming in here.
Okay.
So as
No,
a
it's okay.
pretrial, we're gonna be showing the defendant the video at the pretrial as well, if there's one.
Yeah, normally if we have
Right.
like audio or video of the time of the stop, because a lot of people would be like, oh, I didn't do it, this, that. Then what we have been doing is if we have audio video, we'll show it to them. And like, you know, Mark or Mr. Bean would be like, okay, this is like showing you that you are guilty, you know? You want to just make a plea deal here, because if you go to trial, more likely you're not going to win, you know?
Okay.
And you know what we can do to avoid this breakout room? When I'm done, Natalie gets on my computer, right? So she gets to be on the meeting. Epi, you're in the meeting, and then the defendant is in on the meeting. Once you have an agreement, Natalie lets me know, and then I come back in front of the computer and we read it on the record.
Okay.
Is there any way, Judge, like the first time we do it, can Mr. Isasi come to our office, you know, so we're there together?
Well, the whole reason behind this is to try to minimize.
No, I know that. It's just.
Well, I want to try it like with maybe two defendants, the very first one, and see how it goes.
Why don't we screen them and just take the ones without video? And what you can do is you can fax me the ticket and the complaint, and I can have those here, and then we go forward.
Okay.
Right? We'll just screen them and do the ones without any type of video until we get the hang of it.
Yeah,
okay.
I think that would be a good idea.
Okay, we can do that. Yeah. Okay, that sounds good.
Okay, well, let's do that, Natalie. Let's get like maybe to start off. Let's do a practice run with about 3, right, guys? I mean, just to see how it goes.
Right.
And if that goes well, then we can set up a bigger document.
Okay. So you're saying that we have to publicly post it?
Well, that's the next thing I'm going to do. I'm thinking we have to go and put our YouTube channel through the Office of Court Administration. We have to submit it. They will post it on their website. But then I think
if I'm
we have to
interfere because he's in the courtroom.
Then, Natalie, I think we have to, and people know that it, you know, that we're having a court, or we can even do it through the city Facebook page, you know?
Yes, yes.
But I'd rather not do it there because then everybody will be on.
Right.
If we can just put it on the website, I think that covers our butt.
Just on our homepage?
On our homepage.